Hello everybody, welcome to my class. I am Dr. Mahadev Badge. Today in this video we will discuss about cell structure of red algae. The cell of red algae shows a typical eukaryotic structure. Eukaryotic means the cell organelles are membrane bound. The cell wall consists of two layers, the outer and inner. The outer is made up of pectic materials together with polysulfate esters and the inner of cellulose. The cellulose microfibrils are scattered through a granular matrix. Mostly there is an outer coating of mucilage, but in many genera the outer pectin layer is impregnated with calcium carbonate. The cell protoplast, except in a few red algae, has a tonoplast bound central vacuole. The cytoplasm in them forms a thin layer next to the cell wall. In the order Bangiales, Nemalionales, Cryptonemales, and Gigartinales, there is usually a single nucleus which is flat when partial in position but spherical if located in the center of the cell. It has a well developed nuclear envelope, a conspicuous nucleolus, and divides by mitosis. In other orders of red algae, the cells tend to be multinucleate. In Gryphaea, the vegetative cells may contain several thousand nuclei, about 3000 to 4000 in each cell. Between the cell wall and the cytoplasm is present the cell membrane. The cytoplasm contains one or more chromatophores. Usually, the primitive red algae, for example, in Bangiales and some Nemalionales, have a single large stellate chromatophore in the center of the cell. It has a centrally located dense proteinaceous body, often termed the pyrenoids. The so-called pyrenoid lacks a starch sheath typical of the pyrenoids of green algae. It is thus described as neck. The advanced members of red algae normally have more than one chromatophore in each cell. For example, Polysiphonia. They are partial in position and are developed to pyrenoids. In form, they are usually discoid, partial plate-like or band-shaped in Thurcellaria. Chromatophores have also been recorded. The stroma, it is double membrane bound structure containing a homogeneous matrix. The photosynthetic pigments which are located in the chromatophores include chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, alpha and beta carotene, xanthophylls, and bilirubins are phycoerythrin and are phycocyanin. Phycoerythrin is typically the characteristic and predominant accessory pigments of red algae. It often completely masks the presence of chlorophyll A and is thus responsible for imparting red coloration to the species growing in deep waters or in shaded situation. Bright pink color of the thallus is caused by predominance of both the bilirubin pigments or phycoerythrin and or phycocyanin. Other shades such as purple, violet brownish, yellow, greenish and the like often exhibited in the species of intertidal distribution are the result of photodestruction of phycoerythrin. The higher order of red algae are unique in having pits on the cell walls of adjacent cells. These pits assist in maintaining protoplasmic continuity between these cells. It consists of a circular septal aperture and a lens shaped plug fitted into the aperture. On each side of the plug is membrane bounded plug cap.